Our main update ay magkasama May Mendoza at Arjo Ataide. And another kasal uli. Ngayon naman ay kasal ng high school classmate ni May. And Ellie and Kat and high school represent. Yan yung ka-classmate. Magbi-BFF. Ayun pa nga yung Lego. Ayun yung Lego ni May, no? Cute. Ayan na. Mr. and Mrs. Ayan, Mercado. Ayan, mabuhay ang bawang kasal. Ayan si May, no? May nakagip ng camera. Ayan, nagpipicture-picture. Ayan, no? Ang pangalawang atin na ni May. Ang wedding. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.